Hello everyone, welcome to the Caroline Home Delicacies. Thank you so much for joining me. So today I want to show you how to cook ugali, and it's a staple food that is found here in Kenya. So without much further ado, let's go and begin the video. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget also to subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to put the sufuria here, and also add water. Okay. So we are going to close the lid and then wait for the water to reach the boiling point, and then we can continue cooking. So guys, our water has been able to reach the boiling point. This is how you know the water is ready. So the next step, this one it is called puribet. This one is used for making the water to be more porridge like. So we are going to add a little maize flour. And this one is used to break the water. So you make sure you do like this. We are done using this one, so now we go to the this one is called buko. So you keep adding flour until to your consistency. So if you want to know if the ugali is ready, you can see, you can just, if it does not stick to the sufuria, then it's ready. So like now it does not stick to the sufuria, it means that the ugali is ready to be served. As you can see, it does not stick to the sufuria. It means it's very ready to be eaten. So we are going to put it in the hot pot. And the ugali is ready. As you can see, it's well cooked. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've been able to enjoy this video. Don't also forget to leave me your comments in the comment section, and I'll be reading you. Thank you so much.